So, you want a Saturday to remember?
A little river band, Andy Gibb, the Beach Boys, Led Zeppelin, and more.
No problem. In fact, every Saturday will be memorable.
The music never stops.
If you listen to Morgan Cunningham on WCGR.
I do.
Be part of Morgan's West Coast sound from 6 to 10 a.m. Pacific time every Saturday morning.
I'm your boogeyman.
Your Saturdays will never be the same.
Keep it here.
Morgan! From the top of the world, a new hour begins with all-time favorites.
All around the world, West Coast Radio.
Weekend.
Worldwide. Weekends mean music. The best variety. West Coast Weekend.
You never close your eyes anymore when I kiss your lips. Bring back that love and feeling, 'cause it's gone.
Hello, and welcome to yet again another edition of Morgan's West Coast Sound on West Coast Golden Radio. We have some amazing music coming up this hour, and we're kicking it off with Emotional Rescue, the Rolling Stones.
Is there nothing I can say, nothing I can do? Change your mind.
WCGR.
Hold on to me when you're falling. Hold on to me when you're falling. Hold on, hold on, hold on. Hold on to me when you're falling.
WCGR.
While the others keep on talking, we keep on rocking.
You're listening to Morgan's West Coast Sound, and you know, the last time I heard this song, Treat Me Right by Pat Benatar, I was working at another radio station that used it in a commercial. It's kind of nice to hear the full song now at West Coast Golden Radio.
Morgan.
You want me to leave, you want me to stay. Treat me right, treat me right, treat me right.
Hot sounds.
West Coast. Enjoy that refreshing new feeling.
Power play. Power play.
Guarantee future hits.
You know, at other radio stations, you hear Eagles songs on repeat over and over and over again, the same ones. But this is one that you don't hear typically, but it's heard here on West Coast Golden Radio and Morgan's West Coast Sound in the city.
Somewhere out on that horizon.
West Coast Golden Radio, your station.
And thank you for the music.
This is terrific. You are the greatest.
I just want to tell you guys, just keep on rocking.
I listen to you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week.
It is my favorite station because it's my music, the music of the 70s. I love it.
Baby's into running around, hanging with the crowd.
The Love Channel. West Coast
You're listening to Morgan on West Coast Golden Radio.
One of the greatest songs in history is by Lee Greenwood. God bless the USA. I'm proud to be an American. Heard here on West Coast Golden Radio with me, Morgan.
If tomorrow all the things were gone, I'd work for all my life. God bless the
I hope you like R&B and soul just as much as I do. Reverend Al Green and L-O-V-E. Guess what that spells? Love. Heard here on West Coast Golden Radio and Morgan's West Coast Sound. Keep it here.
Morgan.
I started to write this song about you.
I listen to it every day.
Here's another long, commercial-free music suite.
West Coast. Power play. Power play. Power play. Power play.
It's the way it is when you fly inside. It's the way it is just before the dawn. It's the way it is when the sheets are torn.
While the others keep on talking, we keep on rocking.
My mother's in the audience, and we all know that she is our resident Todd Rundgren fan. Hello, it's me, Mom. This one's going out to you on Morgan's West Coast Sound.
Morgan Cunningham on WCGR. Begins with all-time favorites.
Around the world, West Coast Radio.
Weekend.
Worldwide.
Why are weekends the best time to play more music? Because we know that you're around more to hear it.
It's my weekend station.
My weekend station.
So enjoy the extra good stuff.
Play great music
on West Coast Golden Radio.
Played a song from my buddy Michelle earlier, but I can't play Elvis and not dedicate it to her. Here's Elvis Presley, Early Morning Rain.
In the early morning rain, with a dollar in my hand.
WCGR. The adventure continues.
Morgan.
take some of those old Motown records right off the shelf and listen to them. Here's Rod Stewart, the Motown song. I love this tune. Crank it up real loud. It's Morgan's West Coast Sound on West Coast Golden Radio.
Rain over sun, your own Motown records. We'll put the speakers in the window and we'll go middle. How sweet it is, honey. Rain over sun, your own Motown records.
Hot sounds.
West Coast. Enjoy that refreshing new feeling.
Power play. Power play. This is a guarantee future hits.
The first time I heard this song on the radio when I was little, I called the station and demanded to know what it was. It's the Shy Lights, Oh Girl, from 1972 on Morgan's West Coast Sound.
Oh, girl, I'd be in trouble if you left me now. Better be on the way. I can't stay
West Coast Golden Radio. Non-stop music.
73 men sailed up from the San Francisco Bay. Ride, Captain, ride upon your mystery ship. Be amazed at the waves you have it on your trip. Good times and great oldies.
For all the sexy girls listening to West Coast Golden Radio right now, this one's for you. Glenn Fry, Sexy Girl.
She moved in next door to me, and she showed me her world.
If you still call your iPod a Walkman, this song's for you. West Coast Golden Radio.
We come on this loop, John B. My grandfather and me. Sail, see how the things sail. Call for the captain ashore. Let me go, let me go. Hot fun in the summertime.
Even if you have double vision, I want you to go on your phone, if you have a smartphone, of course, and get the West Coast Golden Radio app. That way you can listen to us no matter what you're doing. Here's Foreigner, Double Vision from 1978.
1978. Feeling down and dirty, feeling kind of mean. Double vision. Oh. Seeing double, double. Double vision. Oh. Double vision.
Hi, this is Mick Jones of Foreigner, and you're listening to the station that's the home of rock and roll.
West Coast.
So stay with us.
WCGR. While the others keep on talking, we keep on rocking.
What you gonna do? Tell me too late. What are you gonna do for me? Speak to me with heart, girl.
WCGR.
Music power.
Hey, Brandon, I know you like Blake Shelton. This one's going out to you. A Girl. It's a power play on West Coast Golden Radio and Morgan's West Coast Sound. Keep it here.
Fresh new country.
How to steal Daddy's car, park it far from her house. Just a girl.
It's that awful time during the show where I have to say goodbye until next Saturday on West Coast Golden Radio. This has been Morgan on the West Coast Sound. I've had a lot of fun, and I hope you have too. Here's 25 or 6 to 4.
1970.